math learners! Today we're going to explore one of the most famous theorems in mathematics, the Pythagorean theorem. It's all about right triangles and helps us find missing sides. Let's discover the magic of this theorem together. Let's start with the vocabulary. So first, we have here the right triangle. A triangle with one angle equal to 90 degrees. So suppose this is your triangle, your 90 degrees is here. So this one is considered a right triangle. Hypotenuse. So we use a letter for hypotenuse, which is letter C. Side opposite the right angle, or the longest side. So if this is your right triangle or right angle, this is your side opposite your right angle. So this is your hypotenuse. Let's name it C for the hypotenuse. Next, legs. The two sides forming the right angle. So for legs, we use A and B. So let's say this is your A and this is your B. For the formula of the Pythagorean theorem, it is the sum of the squares of the two legs. So let's have A square sum, so plus B square. So the sum of the square of the two legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So you will be using this formula for the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Let's apply this formula to the example. Example number 1, a ladder leans against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall. The ladder touches the wall 8 meters high. How long is the ladder? So here, suppose this is your ladder. So this is the wall, and then this is your 6 meters from the wall. So this is 6 meters. And then the ladder touches the wall 8 meters high. So this is 8 meters. So the question is, how long is the ladder? So this one. How long is this one? So since this is the hypotenuse, let's use the formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So you have C squared is equal to, you get one of the values here. So this is A, 6 square plus 8 square. So you have C square here. 6 times 6, that is 36. Plus 8 times 8, that is 64. Next is, you add the values here. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. And since you have here square, so we have to solve this by extracting square root. So the square root of C square is C, and the square root of 100 is 10. So meaning, the ladder measures 10 meters. Don't forget the unit. 10 meters. Okay? So another example. So this is a ramp forms a right triangle with the ground. The ramp is 13 meters long. So this is your hypotenuse. And the height of the ramp is 5 meters. How far does the ramp extend along the ground? So say for example, you have here, let's draw it. So it says there the hypotenuse is 13. So this is your 13 meters. And then the height of the ramp is 5. So this is your 5 meters. And the question is this one. So the question here is one of the legs. So for the formula, you have C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay? So let's substitute. C squared is 13. 13 squared is equal to, A is missing here, A squared plus B is 5. 5 squared. So let's move this one to the left side. if you move 5 squared to the left side, that will be minus. So 13 square minus 5 square is equal to a square. You move that to the left side of the equation, that will be minus sign. So what is 13 square? 13 square is 169. Minus, what is 5 square? That is 25. Is equal to a square. So 169 minus 25, that is 144. Is equal to a square again. So since you still have square here, you extract square root. So that is square root. So you have the square root of a square is a. The square root of 144 is 12. So your answer here is 12. 12, don't forget meters. So this is 12 meters. And that's the Pythagorean theorem. Remember the formula: a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our page, Math Teacher Gon. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!